Did you ever wonder where dead bees go? Each year in the colony, bees die through the winter and need to be cleaned out come spring. Here's one being dragged off the landing board, being manhandled out, and then she takes to the air. You see her lose some altitude off the beginning, and most times they get away. Sometimes they'll hit the ground and they drop them and they can't get them airborne again. But most times they'll get up. I watched them and they'll go up and they'll circle, increasing diameter circles, and then at random places just drop the bodies. These ones didn't quite get taken care of yet. They've just been kicked out on the landing board. But these ones have been dropped out in the grass, out in the lawn about 10 yards away, 10 meters away, and quite a few dead bees. You can see it was pretty easy to find lots of little corpses out through the grass. Some on the neighbor's shed, and then there's some on the trampoline here. You see a couple, one close and one far away. And that's where dead bees go. Thanks for joining me. This is Gary Prince in Medicine Hat, Alberta.